Hello and welcome to another training video for Enlite POS powered by Dark. Today we're going to be looking at the invoice change feature of Enlite. This is most commonly used to detail quick tickets that were created previously. So for example, I'm going to go into customer walk-in, we're going to enter my PIN, we're going to look for our customer, and I'm just going to create a quick ticket really fast. If you don't know how to create quick tickets or have questions about how these controls work, just go back to our quick ticket video and it'll teach you everything you need to know. So I'm going to hit quick ticket here. We're going to create our ticket. It's ticket 832. Right now the tickets would be printing. I would put one in the bag that the customer is leaving me and I'd hand one to the customer so they can go on their way. And now later on, I'm going to have to come back in and detail this ticket. So to detail the quick ticket that we just created, we use the invoice change section, which is right here on your main menu. I enter my PIN. And now we can search for the ticket a couple different ways. If I had a barcode scanner, I could just scan the quick ticket and it would pull it up. I can search for the customer's name and it'll pull up all the tickets for that customer. Here's the one that we're looking for, 832. Or I can simply just enter 832. So I'm going to select this ticket. It's an empty ticket because we haven't detailed it yet. And just a reminder, we've gone through all of the controls and how to create and detail orders in previous videos. If you happen to land on this video and haven't seen all the videos on our invoicing screen, please go back and review those because this screen does a lot of different things. And watching those videos will help you understand how all of it works and what changes you need to make so that it works better for your operation. So I'm just going to detail some items on this. We'll get a shirt, we'll get a laundry shirt, and we'll throw in a vest. Okay, so now I've detailed my items and I'm going to go ahead and print this. So I click on my print button. Immediately the system is going to point out that the number of pieces that I entered on this ticket don't match the number of pieces that the system expected when I created the quick ticket. When I created the quick ticket, I had said that we would be receiving 3 pieces. You can see it down here. However, now that I've detailed the ticket, I've entered 4 pieces. So the system is going to point out that there's a little mismatch between what I stated when I created the quick ticket versus now that I'm detailing it, the number of pieces that are present. This is just a warning. It's not going to stop you from moving forward. But assuming everything's correct, we're just going to hit yes, we want to continue. And now the order is detailed. So our ticket is now 832 and it has all of the items that we had specified. I do want to show you one thing. What happens when we need to modify a ticket that's already been paid? So I'm going to go back in here. We're going to enter my PIN and I'm going to search for a specific ticket. We're going to go into 827 here. And now the system is telling me that this ticket can't be modified because it contains partial pickups or payments have been made against it. By default, the system will not let you modify any tickets that have pickups or payments processed against it. We do this for security reasons. It keeps everybody honest. However, if in your operation it is necessary to modify tickets after they have been paid, then we have settings that we can enable so that you can go back into tickets that have been paid the same way that I went in for the quick ticket, and you can modify them without any issues. So if that's something that you need, just let your support team know. They'll be happy to configure that for you. Okay, so we detailed the quick ticket and we saw what happens when we try to edit a ticket that's already been paid. By default, what happens when we try to edit a ticket that's already been paid. And now I want to show you one more thing. The other scenario for using invoice change is if we have an order that needs to be modified for whatever reason. So I'm going to go back into invoice change, enter my PIN, and this time we're going to pull up the ticket that we just detailed. We're going to go in here. These are the items that we had added. Remember, we had added these 4 pieces. And now I'm going to add one more item. Of course, I can do all the normal stuff that I can do in the invoicing section. I can come in here and add details. I can add garment nodes. All the normal stuff is available to me. However, additionally, I can add another item. So we're gonna add this blouse. That's gonna be my new item. So now when I go to print this, the system is going to show me something new. This is our Invoice Manager screen. And we're gonna review this screen in the next video. We're gonna go into all the controls and why we need this screen and what we can do from this screen. So that's all for this video. We learned how to detail quick tickets, we learned how to modify existing tickets, and we learned what happens by default when we try to edit a ticket that has been paid. In the next video, we're going to be focusing on this Invoice Manager. I hope to see you there. As always, thank you so much for your time and attention. From everyone here at Dark, thank you for your business. See you soon. Bye.